Hi, welcome back to my channel. I got something in the mail today that I wanted to share with you guys, my boxycharm base boxes. So I have 2 accounts and I got 2 boxes and we're gonna unbox them. The theme for this month is sweet treats. It's very cute. Look at our candy, it's cute. Okay, so let's start with the first item. Oh, they cannot, Jesus, here I go, not being able to talk. Natasha Denona Jubilee eyeshadow palettes, which I've used. I don't know, let me get close, it's on my eye. I'm having a watery eye right now, so you guys have to ignore that. I used most of the shades except for this one I haven't gotten into yet, but they're really pretty. I'll swatch them for you. Here's the swatches. That blonde that you think is black is actually this blue color right here. And I kind of blended, I did the pink on my outer corner and I used this blue to kind of deepen that. Oh, this eye's messed up because it's watering like crazy right now, but just this eye. I used all the colors except for this one. It was really pretty. Very, very pigmented, blended easily. I was very pleased with this. Very. That's item number 1. That went for $48. Next is the Earth Harbor Naturals. Oh, that play. Right here. Give your face an illuminating superfood nutrition. Sea greens and cannabis sativa hemp oil. All right, here's the Batel. Let's just. Is it like an oil? So yeah, it is. I don't know if you can see it on this side. It's like a face. Well, they say ampoule, but or however you pronounce it. It's like a dry oil for your face. Yeah. It smells good. Very fresh. Like it has that like green, like I want to say kind of grassy smell, but in a very fresh way. I didn't mind the smell at all. It's very light. Doesn't stay on your skin. What did this go for? 32? Okay, I'll give it a go. I'm not against it. What's next? Oh, this one I did try. I use most of the products. The Dragon Beauty Dragon Fire Color Corrector. And we got this one in lavender. And I believe lavender is supposed to brighten. And now, if you guys who've watched my past videos, you notice I have like shadowing, and I did use it under my eyes. You tell me if you can see a difference between now and the past videos, but so here's what it looks like in the bottle. Hair hanging off. It's lavender, and here's a swatch of it. It did blend out beautifully. It's nice and creamy. I don't notice any major creasing under my eyes or anything like that with it. And I have dry under eyes, dry skin. And it works pretty well with my skin. I have no complaints so far. Next, what? Oh, $25 for that. I mean, if it works and it does the job, which so far it has, I don't mind paying $25. The Creme Shop Halo Lovely Powder Highlight Trio Palette. $18. And that's this. And when I got this, oh my god, this eye is driving me crazy. When I got this, I swatched these. I don't have it on right now, but I did not mind. And I've been kind of going towards cream products, but I don't mind this. But this is what it looks like. They're very pretty. So they're very pretty. Maybe I have to work them in a little bit, but yeah, I didn't mind them. I think they're very pretty. I would definitely use them again. Well, I didn't use them, but I will use them. I will give them a go. Especially this shade right here. This really intrigues me. And none of them are really too dark for my skin. It's a pretty package. What is that? How much? 18? It's pretty. I don't think I've ever tried anything from the Creme Shop cream. But I liked it. And the next, from the swatches, I liked it a lot. The next one is Be a Bombshell Cosmetics Lip Gloss. And mine is in the shade Hooked. And it's what I have on right now. It's on my lips right now. It's not a sticky gloss at all. Let's see. It's actually really pretty. It's smooth. It's not real that sticky glossy feeling either. It's more like a lip oily feeling. Excuse me. It's got a really nice feeling. I liked it a lot. Oh, what is that? Oh, it's $14. That's pretty reasonable for a gloss. It's a very pretty shade. I like this a lot. And that is it for my first BoxyCharm base box. My total came up to $137. And I wasn't disappointed. I liked everything in the box. Yeah, I was pretty pleased with it. I definitely got some use out of the products and will continue to do so. Let's move on to the second box. Again, same theme, sweet treats. And in this box, I got the Pharmacy Honey Grill Ultra Hydrating Face Oil. And I tried, it was Robert Welsh taught me this trick because I have dry under eyes, is to just put a little drop on the back of your hand and do like this with it. And then just pat it under your under eyes before you put your concealer on. And that's what I did with this. It smells literally, it smells like honey. Just like honey. It is very nice. You don't need a lot. A little bit goes a long way. But it's a honey fragrance. But it's not greasy. It's just like another one. It kind of sinks into your skin really well. It doesn't leave you with that overly greasy feeling. It's nice and moisturizing. Again, I don't have a greasy feeling on my hands. I like this. What is this? 48. And I have their mask, their honey mask. That's for moisturizing. I enjoyed that. This is $48. Okay. I do like pharmacy products, so when I get them, I tend to enjoy them. Next is the Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Icy Sherbet Primer. $32. Keeps your looks in place. Keeps them cool with Icy Sherbet Primer. It's a gel primer. It has an instant cooling effect once applied. It hydrates and preps skin for makeup. Silicone free. I use this under my base. I do seem a little bit smoother underneath than what I normally am. This is what it looks like. It is not sticky. And it does feel cooling when you put it on. It feels good on my hand. It does kind of, I guess it does give it a slight blur. It does. I'll give it that. I enjoyed it. I'll use it again. And I'm not, if you watch my channel, you know I'm not a big primer girl. Sorry, I have a patch here. I'm not a big primer girl at all, but I really enjoyed this a lot. Next, Flirtatious Looks Cosmetic Monarch Lash Pack. Eyelashes. So it comes with 2 styles of lashes, Baby Girl and Charmer. It says Baby Girl is an angled lash, perfect for achieving the iconic cat eye effect. Charmer is a round lash we created for an instant doll eye effect. Both are 100% silk and cruelty-free. It comes with a lash applicator. I don't know if I will enjoy that. I am kind of stuck on my tweezers. But to each their own, especially if you're a beginner. I think that would be nice. $38. I feel like I would go with this because I like more of a natural type of lash. But with these kind that are big, I'll just cut the end off and do an end lash with them is usually how I end up using these. They're pretty though, and I'll definitely give them a try. What's next? Oh, this I wanted to show. Oh, what? Hold on, I'll do this first. Mally Beauty Eye Color Shadow Stick Extra. And I don't know, what is this? Timeless Taupe. $25. I don't think I've really used the taupe. Anyways, this is what it looks like. I did swatch it for you guys. I'll give it a go. I'll try it. I do like my cream shadows. And I have a couple stick ones I think that would look really pretty paired with that. That one goes for $25. Okay, I've never heard of Mally Beauty. Have you guys? How's this eye doing? Okay, not too bad. All right. It's still like watery and burning. I don't know what's up with it. The next one is Kinder Glow highlighting palette from Kinder Beauty. $15. This is what it looks like. And then when you open it up, you have these. Can you see them? As you can tell, I have this one on. Let's swatch them. I really found myself drawn to this. I noticed both highlighting palettes that I got this month have that similar shade, which I like a lot. But here they are swatched. Again, I think this one's a bit icy for me. But I like these, and I feel like you can mix them together. They're really pretty. So that's Kinder Beauty. Oh, $15. That's pretty reasonable for a highlight. Excuse me. I don't know what's up with me. I have it applied. It's very gentle. It's not, if you're looking for blinding highlights, these ones don't have it. Or you would have to really build them up. But, I used this one. Yeah. I have this one on, which is pretty good with my skin. Because I like more of a natural glow. But they're really pretty, comfortable, They swatch dry, but put on the skin. I like to put mine on with my finger, pat it in, and then go over it with my beauty blender. I enjoy that a lot with powder highlights. And that seemed to work really well for me. Yeah, cruelty free. And $15. That's a good deal. I mean, if you enjoy the highlighter, it's not bad for a highlighter. So the total for this box for this month is $158. So one box was what, $137, $158. I enjoyed them both, if I'm being honest. If I could pick one product out of each box that was worth it for me, this one would be the one for one box. What's in the other box? Gosh, I don't know. I think I kind of like this, but maybe the Natasha Denona. I just liked everything in the other box. I don't know if I could really... I'm not fond of the colors in this palette. I mean, it really isn't my kind of... I mean, I might use this maybe, but that's about it. So yeah, if I personally had to pick a product for me, it would be this, because it did help. I thought it helped with my under eyes tremendously. But that's it for this month, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I apologize for not feeling well. And I do have a premium coming. I have an Ipsy coming. So as soon as those get to me, we'll do an unboxing. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.